Always gotta do everything around here, man.
Wheelchair. Uh-oh, wheelchair.
The wheelchair is gonna come alive.
It's gonna bite you in the neck and turn you into a werewolf.
Good. Just for the record, we just finished watching the new episode of Beavis and Butthead. Go check it out. It's hilarious. What the hell?
What was that?
Charles just moved,
I
dude.
think you moved it.
No.
I think it's moving.
Oh, what?
Moving! Oh.
What the fuck, dude?
We're
Dude.
moving. Shoot him.
Dude.
Shoot him.
Well, let me shoot him.
Hit him with your axe. Don't turn your backs on them.
Dude.
Oh shit. Oh, something's moving, dude. Oh!
Oh, fuck. What's with these mannequins, dude?
Don't touch him.
I'm not gonna touch him. I'm not gonna touch him. Oh. Dude, now they're facing me. What the fuck? Oh, God, I hate those mannequins.
Psychologically fucked up.
I know, right?
Oh!
Oh! Yeah, what's up? Hey, there's a door over here. Open it.
Something's gonna happen.
I think he was pointing at this door.
I
Yeah, he
don't want
was.
it. I don't want it.
Switch. Good. Why is he giving me a thumbs up? Is he gonna let me in now? Oh, good.
Oh,
What the fuck? Dude, there's just this mannequin here. Son of a bitch. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Oh, dude.
Freaky, it's freaky.
Dude, I don't want to go. Yeah, who the fuck is that?
Is that the girl?
Oh, that doesn't look like the chick. I mean, that's what the chick is.
Oh, is that one of the guys?
Yeah,
He's dead.
he's dead.
Something killed him, I think. Unless it's just ketchup, you know?
Probably is.
It's probably ketchup.
Oh, fucking asshole. Go. Bring it on, bitch. Asshole. This is like, fuck this.
Is there more? No, that's it. Oh, they're all dead.
Freedom of information is always very important.
Oh! Come on, assholes. Yeah. These zombies ain't got nothing on me. More ammo. Nice. Where's that sound? Oh!
One huge hospital.
No, right? Let's supposed to be the roof. What the hell?
The console is locked. Find another way to shut it down.
Alright.
Oh,
Hazardous voltage. Cool. I guess. Ah.
That gas is combustible, but the container is insulated, so the current's not going to ignite what's inside. Yeah, the gas gasket just did the trick. It's all sealed inside, so see if you can get it open.
Throw it in there and shoot it.
No, it's already leaking the gas.
You did it. I should be able to set a transmission within a couple minutes.
Awesome.
You better get out of there. The whole place is on fire.
No
Nice.
shit.
Oh.
Oh, whoa. Fuck. Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
Area patients. All staff, please evacuate area immediately.
Oh. Oh, dude.
You know where you're going?
No. Come on. Oh.
Oh, you're dead.
Oh, dude.
You're dead. Yeah, fight the fire. Fight the fire, Justin.
Dude, let's fight it.
Shoot it.
Whoa, what the hell?
Run.
Yeah, good point. Oh. Come back, bitch.
Tell me to go. She's telling you where to go.
She is, dude. Come on, come on. Show me the way out, or to the morgue.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah, what the fucking dude?
There she is.
Oh, it's telling us more backstory.
Oh.
What the fuck? The hell, zombie nurses?
They're not even cute.
Oh.
What
Oh.
the hell?
Oh, okay. Alright, we're gonna stop here, pick up in the next chapter. Later.
Bye bye.